Welcome everyone for the day 6 of Navaratri. And so, if you not watched my previous videos, go and watch my videos and also pre-order my book. Okay, so today is the day 6 of represents the goddess Katyayini. Okay, the goddess is of the courageous and the determination. So let's talk about that. The people around us, how truly shape our life. Do you know the people who are there around us is more powerful than your willpower? So I will tell you one thing. So right now you have seen some of you struggling at the same time who are already succeed in their life, right? But they are putting the same effort. So do you think why really it is happening in every time? Is this about that luck? So just think of that, how true in your life, how your surrounding people it's really shape your life. So just think of a moment, if you place that fresh vegetables in the place of rotten vegetables, it really keep that fresh ones of the already existing? No, right? Because that in the surrounding that already there with the rottens, right? The rotten vegetables will affecting that fresh one also. So it will be not be still remaining that fresh one only. Just think, so could really that environment really affecting your growth? So that only I have shared in my chapter. Okay, so of the chapter 6. So okay, what environment really matters your life, and also so how you can take it. So if your friends or family so not support your for dream, so what you can do at that situation, and how you can be motivated in that situation also, and how we can that how other people getting that success being with the positive environment. But if you are in stuck with the negativity, how we can achieve that everything, the secrets lessons I have shared in my chapter. If you're facing that rejections and failures, why do people live themselves immediately? How others are people's keep doubting themselves in that situation? So you understand that the right environment is very important in our life. Okay, so you have to think, so which is the right environment for your growth, and being in that environment only. So don't just be there stuck with that negativity, so and thinking that they are lucky, and we do not have that support or required for my growth. I have that dream to achieve, but my supporting surrounding only not there. Just do not think about that. So today we'll need to pre-order my book, so you can watch, and also you'll get that the gift as a audiobook, so you can listen how it really helpful for your career. Okay, so being with the supportive environment, so just finding that right environment, be there. Okay, but I will share that one thing. So being with the mentor, it's really helpful you, because when you are facing that rejection and failures, right, your mentor will be supportive for your growth. So that also same thing happened in my life also, because that mentor is already facing that challenges, he already succeed in his life. The reason because mentor knows that how to face those challenges and to getting that success to achieve our dream of our life. Okay, so that is the reason. So just think of that, being with the environment of that supportive community and the mentor, you will achieve the success very very faster. And do not miss guys to pre-order my book today itself. And let's go with that next day of that Navaratri. So go with that tomorrow, I will coming up with that powerful lessons and stories and secrets. You stay tuned, and let's meet everyone tomorrow. Thank you.